In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for wrapping roofs in 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 G12 Gloss Black. This film features 3M's new protective film layer, which greatly reduces surface impressions and prevents any installation-related scratching. Use masking tape to create templates around any features that can't be removed, such as this antenna fin. This template will be used to cut a pre-sized hole in the wrap film. In addition to the template, wrap the fin itself in masking tape to prevent any unwanted adhesion while positioning and tacking the film down. When cutting out the template for the fin, make sure to only cut through the film and not the adhesive liner underneath. Pull firm tension on the material in all directions to remove any wrinkles before beginning to squeegee. Use heat whenever necessary to relax the film. Squeegee the film flat, working from the center of the roof out towards the edges. Use 3M Finish Line knifeless tape to make all finishing cuts along the edge. Using a spare piece of liner and a hard-edged squeegee, tuck the film down into the body panel gaps. Note that all the edge tucking can be done with the protective film layer still on the material, making 3M Wrap Film 2080 the first of its kind in the industry. As always, remember to post-heat the film thoroughly after removing the protective film layer and clean with a polymer wax.